product versus services. Right? So I'm in I do, I build software. I can do it for anybody. That's service. But I am building a product which serves a market, special need. That's called a product. So I'm taking right now an example of services. Services. So you want to build a software, or Citibank wants to build a software to reconcile the payments. Suppose you make a purchase. You are an owner of a company. Your employees are using credit cards because they have to place order. They purchase a lot of, you run a lab. That's a classic example. You are running a lab. You're an owner of a lab, and your employees need to order, glasses, the chemicals and all that part. And different companies supplies these things. Some comes from Amazon. Office furniture may come from Staples, right? So those, your employees go and do all these things manually, and then you reconcile and say, oh, how much money I have paid, how much Citibank has charged on our credit card, and then ultimately you reconcile it. That's taking a lot of time. You want to build an automation where employees can go and order it and place an order on this software, and the software automatically place an order on Amazon.com, and Citibank credit cards, Citibank sends you data, it and reconcile everything, right? So this is your employee. This is the software we are building, and they go and the software works with Amazon, Citibank, right? And all this. And somewhere you are sending the data, somewhere you're bringing the data back. And then at the end, you are reconciling. What we call it reconcile means how much money your employee has spent on credit card. Are they using it for the right purpose, right? You want to reconcile it because there may be possibility of fraud. Rather than using your money to buy lab equipments, your employee is buying clothes. Who knows? So you want to do reconcile. And then Citibank is sending you the data, transaction data, like what we call it bank statements. And you want to reconcile how much orders have been placed on Amazon and how much Citibank is charging. Suppose I'm giving kind of real example. You want to reconcile this. So you want to build a software. This is at a high level. You as a customer, as a company owner, you guys decided that, okay, I want to build a software. Then you choose, you give it to, you open, it for vendors. Software development companies like Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, all these people are bidding. They are saying, okay, after reading your requirements, I'm going to do it for $1 million. Somebody says, I'm going to do it for $1.5 million. Somebody is saying, and plus they're saying it will take 6 months, right? This is called request for proposal, RFP. So a company sends a request for proposal. Vendors like Infosys, Wipro and all respond saying, okay, I will do it in 2.1 million and I'll take 3 months. Okay. And plus I will give 1 year warranty, all support for 1 year, any maintenance, I'll do it. Right? Different companies give timeline, the services they're going to offer, and the quality of resources they will provide to build the software, and total cost it will take, not to exceed in majority of the cases. That means it cannot exceed more than 1 million.